If you have to use a perm in your hair to get waves, man, just throw your brush away. When you with the perm in your hair to get waves, no, because that's what a kit is. It's like a perm. Let me know, leave a like if y'all mess with a do-rag. You know, do-rag gang gotta stay on point. Let's get to this video. I've been seeing a lot of, people talking about people using kits. I've been seeing a lot of videos. Even people been DMing me to make a video on this topic. You know, with me, I don't like focusing on other wavers and what they do with their hair, but a lot of y'all been hitting me with like, oh, what's your thoughts on people using kits in the wave game and all of that. But with me, if you have to use a perm in your hair to get waves, man, just throw your brush away. If you have to take a shortcut to get waves, throw your do-rag away, all right? Man, if you have to do anything just to rush through the wave process that's not natural, man, just throw yourself away, all right? I've been seeing a lot of y'all make videos on like this one dude. You know, I'm not even gonna mention his name. That's just gonna bring a lot of attention to this person, and that's what y'all doing. I've been seeing like 30 videos on this person like throughout me, doing the wave stuff, throughout me starting my YouTube channel. Even before I was making YouTube videos, you know what I'm saying? It's like y'all shouldn't give people that's using kits attention in the wave game. You feel me? We gotta keep the wave game natural. If you ain't brushing, you ain't swimming. Alright? If you gotta do tricks, dribble around, your brush work, wolfing, you're not a waver. You shouldn't be respected. You shouldn't be looked on. Y'all shouldn't be making 30 videos on this person, or whoever use kits or have to perm their hair to get waves and all that, you feel me? Because on this channel, we put the brush work in, you feel me? We putting the brush work in, we putting that wolfing time. Because, man, if you ain't brushing, like I said, man, you already know, man. We ain't with the kit stuff on this channel. And we not going to be making 30 videos on one dude that's using a kit back to back. We not going to go on his Instagram, lurking on his waves and all that, you feel me? Because here, we all about focusing on building our progress, you feel me? Focus on building our progress, putting that brush work in. You know what I'm saying? Using good products, you feel me? Good products, keeping your hair healthy, giving you that natural shine, that natural look, that natural silky look, feel me? When you with the perm in your hair to get waves, because that's what a kit is. It's like a perm. Brush game has to be on point. Wave game has to be on point, man. No cheating, no skipping your brush work or doing anything that's gonna take away the natural process. That's why I like scalping and starting over, because when my waves are in for like a long period of time, I just like starting over, starting a new pattern, because I like the process, and I like giving out tips for y'all. Y'all be asking me, how can I get 540s? How can I get 360s? How can I get 720s? I have to scalp to really know the right tips to give y'all. So, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I just wanted to touch on that topic, because a lot of y'all been hitting me in my DMs about it. Man, the do-rag gotta stay on point, man. But, we coming back. I'm coming back, man. I'm brushing, putting in the work. We about to hit this 540, feel me? We about to hit this 540 pattern. So let's get to it, man. Stay tuned. I'm dropping more videos, more tips, for y'all to get spinning.
I was just down bad, rocking shell toes. Now my mama got the Gucci and Chanel on. If you talk about that woman, put them shells on. It's a scary fucking sight, put the hell on.